Hey everybody, welcome to Grow Your Greenhouse. Today I wanted to show you a wood planer cabinet that I made, and it's all finished. Got 2 coats of waterborne polyurethane on it. Made 4 full extension drawers. And on the side over here, I've got my anti-snipe board that I put on, and I just made a bracket using pocket joinery and some of the 1/2 inch plywood to have a place where I can keep it out of the way when I'm not using it. And I'll show you how that it goes on to the planer to help really plane way more accurately than these adjustable shelves that they give with it do. I just lifted it out of the brackets and then laid it on top of the table, and it's level. And then I just put I had 2 pieces of alder wood, and I milled down to hold it so that it doesn't move when I'm planing wood. And when I'm done, I'll put it back in the brackets here. So that's really nice. It takes care of keeping it out of the way. My drawers I made out of 5x5 1/2 inch plywood, and then I just dadoed 1/4 inch plywood bottoms in of just simple construction and did full extension on them. And the cabinet of carcass is made out of 3/4 inch birch, and the height is 36 inches, about 34 inches up to this part right here. So it's 2 inches there, and it's just a nice height to be able to run things through without having to lean over a lot. The cabinet's 24 inches deep and 23 inches wide. Most of your lunchbox planers like this, they're 22, 23 inches wide. And then what I did, I had solid sidewalls, and I did all my pocket joinery. And then on the back, I did a little shaker look just to dress it up a little bit and to fill that in there. So I've got 3-inch wheels on it, and 2 of them are locking, so I can take it out and do my work on it and blow it off with the air and bring it back in and put it up. So that's a little bit about how I made my wood planer cabinet. Thought you'd like to see it. Have a great day.